All right, good morning, folks. You want to come up? Big stretchy boy. Oh, yeah, big stretchy boy. Okay, we'll hold you for a few minutes. That's right. So today we've got dips, pull-ups, single leg deadlifts, and side planks. We're only gonna have time for 2 rounds. Talked about deadlifts here shortly, or a couple of videos ago, where something that I feel kind of unlocked my deadlift for me was um, worrying less about my upper half and making sure my lower half was set. So with squat, they kind of talk about like push the ground apart. I did the same thing with deadlifts, where like I really just, hey, if I push that ground apart before I set, I feel stable. And I've also kind of thought about like not only just pushing the ground apart, but kind of screwing my feet into the ground. Ow. And right, I feel extremely stable from this position. So like even now as I'm doing it, it's like, yeah, I can feel my legs are primed and that my core kind of automatically co-contracts for that stability. So food for thought situation, if you're having some trouble with your deadlift and you're like, is my position right? It's like, okay, maybe your position's great. Like set yourself before the lift so that you can be like more efficient with that movement. Why are you so snuggly? Why are you so snuggly right now? I gotta put you down though. I gotta get to working out. And then the only other thing that I could add is I use my Fitbit as reference, and overall, like this year, as I've cut calories down, I'm down like about 12 active zone minutes per day compared to last year. So it's about, that there's about 120, like I'm just gonna say about 100 or so calories per day that I am not burning. So it's like, hey, why am I not losing weight? Well, because I cut my calories and then I also reduce my general energy output as well. So, all right, time for some pull-ups, some dips rather. Okay. Whew. Whew. It's been cold these last couple of days. Today's a little warmer, but not by much. Okay. From something to nothing real quick. So, going back to this deadlift setup. I get down here, just kind of push my feet to the ground, feel my hips kick on. Then I kind of grab the bar, try and bend the bar towards me for some lat engagement. Whew, it's not going up today. Did squats yesterday. So, I wonder if my balance is betraying me. There. Balance. Show him your toy, not the plastic. Ooh. All right. So I'll have time for one more round, but I'll suggest doing a third. Oh. Whoop. Oh, I hate side planks. They're good for me, but still hate them. You take the hood off. Oh. All right. All right. All right. Last set of dips. Um. Ugh. That's awful. So, didn't hydrate or eat before this workout because I was like, I only got like 20 minutes. But I can feel like I feel worse for not having done so. only got a few deadlift or pull-ups in, and just opted for a dead hang. He'll grab the 45er for his next set of deadlifts. That felt much better, especially since I gave myself that kind of kickstand, B stance, whatever. But yeah, like I said, 12 minutes lost on average for the entire year. Okay. And we turn again. Alrighty, so that is a wrap for myself, because I gotta get to work. Anyways, so I know that due to my new job / new work schedule, my whole workout routine's changed, which has resulted in the drop in active minutes. I don't necessarily want to cut the calories. I'd rather get my activity levels back up, primarily because I haven't been doing as much cardio as I should be, and I should be doing that for my general health. Anyways, if you did what I did today, great. If you did your own thing, great. You're just starting, looking for ideas, motivation, discipline, or community to support you is what we're here to do. Help each other be a little better every day. So, good job today. Keep working hard. We'll see you next time.